What's up, guys? Today we're going to put in this Bedrug Bedmat in a 2021 Silverado custom I got just by using this little punch, 1/4-inch drill bit, and those push button fasteners. I have a drop-in liner, it's factory, and I haven't seen any other videos that tell you how to install this with a drop-in liner, so I don't know if this is going to be the first one, but I'm going to install it and let you guys take a look at it and tell me what you think. But this is the one that I got right here. Like I said, I got a 21 Silverado, so with a drop-in liner, and they require that you use the fasteners with it. So that's what we're going to do here. So I just put it in there to fit it, and actually I already put one in, but I will show you guys. I put one in right in that corner right there, push button. They give you 15 fasteners in the kit, so I figured maybe if I can go one on each side here, maybe one up or two up at the top there, there'll be 4 up there, maybe one on each side or maybe 2 on each side, and then a few in the back here. It should secure it down. So I'm going to go ahead and put all these fasteners in, just for the sake of the video. But what I'm going to do is this, is take my little punch. Actually, I could probably set you guys up and show it to you. This is like 5/8, probably a 5/8 foam or something. It looks like almost the material, the carpeted material, is almost like a speaker box material. So it feels pretty good on the knees and everything. So let me get you guys set up on a tripod and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do. Okay, here we go. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. I'm going to go right in this corner here. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna put one here. Like I said, I already put one on the other side. So what I did was this. I kind of figured out where I want to go, because this is the raised part. If you guys can see, this is the raised part of the drop-in liner here. It's not down here, it's up here. You don't want to go down here because that's basically right where your bed's at. So I'm going to pick a kind of happy medium in between here on this tunnel cover right here. I'm going to take a little punch, or they say an awl or an awl, just some type of something so you can poke through. And what I did was I kind of rounded it out like that to make the hole a little bit bigger, because they require that you use a 1/4-inch drill bit. And then what I did was took this, my little poker, and I pushed through the drop-in liner because it's plastic, and you got a sharp object here. So what I did was that kind of told me where, and then I put that back through there like so, and now I have a hole in there. And this is the part you kind of want to be careful. I took my drill bit and just poked down through the plastic and just got out the shavings there. Kind of round this out a little bit, make this hole a little bit bigger, because I would not recommend trying to take a drill bit through this carpet. You probably wind up, as soon as you touch it, you'll probably snag it. So then we're going to take one of these divider fasteners here, one of these right here, find a hole that I made in here. Kind of poke that through. Like I said, I don't have a 1/4-inch awl, so you're gonna kind of have to use your thing and kind of work around it a little bit, I think. Enough to open that up so you can push this fastener through to the other side. Like that. Push it through to the other side there. And all I did was just push it down. and those ridges in the fastener will click down into into the liner, so now it won't pull up. Just like that. So what I'm going to do now for the sake of the video is I'm going to go ahead and get myself all fastened up here, and then I'll show you guys what the end product looks like. Okay guys, just to let you know, remember I did that one, you guys saw me do that one. So what I did was I just did the same thing. I didn't even push that all the way through. All I did was poke my awl through the carpet, made me a little mark on the bottom. So my hole is right there. You guys can see that. There's my hole. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and drill all 3 of these out and push them down. Okay guys, so this is what I got so far. Okay, there's the 4 up there. I'm sorry, the 5 up there. 2 on the sides, 3 up top, kind of spaced evenly. Got 1 right there, 1 on the other side. And then I got, you know, I got 2 along where the wells are at on each side. And now all I'm gonna do is kind of start to come around here. So basically, I've already used up 9 of those, 9 of the push button fasteners that they give you. They give you 15 of them. They require a 1/4 inch drill bit to go through your drop-in liner. Okay, so I'll show you guys the end result when I finish up the rest of these fasteners. All right guys, here it is. So we got those ones up there. You guys saw the wheel wells with them in. I put 1 there, and then I went ahead and put 4 of them back here, and there's 1 on the side. That should probably be good, I think. It's actually down there pretty good. Now I would imagine with the heat or whatever, after a while this mat's gonna settle, and it's like I said, it's like a foamy material underneath. So they figure that you can wash this or whatever, but I got a tonneau cover. I just went this route. I saw the Bedrug, and I figured I'd give it a shot instead of the rubber mat. Just due to the fact now that I have a tonneau cover, which I just put on like last weekend. I wish I would have caught a video of that, but I didn't. So now when I put things towards the back here, they won't slide all the way up, and I won't have to make the wife crawl underneath there all the way up there to go get it, because she wouldn't be too happy about that. So this is the Bedrug for a 2021 Silverado 1500, a custom. This one's like not a plain Jane, but it doesn't have a whole lot to it. So, and that's for a drop-in liner. The push button fasteners, real easy to install. I just use that and that. My trusty old drill and a punch. And I guess word to the wise while I got you guys here, don't do this corner and this corner, because if you want to use the other fasteners in the middle, you won't be able to pull it up. So if you have to, the old panel tool underneath, pop the rivet up. Okay guys, there it is with the tonneau cover on top. And I installed the Pro X15, which came out really nice. I really like the sleek look to it, very streamlined. But this is what it'll look like here with the drop-in liner. Very, very clean. It feels really good. I like the way the matte carpet feels to prevent things from sliding on the drop-in liner without the rubber mat. But that's it. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you guys will know when I do another video. I'd appreciate it, and I'll talk to you in the next one.